Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, you're very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. And if you're my returning subby, you're my day one, you already know what time it is. So please say it with me, baby. Thank you and welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing the stunning unit from Alipearl. Hey, they were kind enough to send me this amazing unit. It's a glue. Literally, I'm wearing this without glue. I can put it on and put it off any day. I am absolutely in love with this unit. It's a 5x5, which gives you that frontal illusion, but all the details regarding this hair will be on the description box, so do check it out. And you guys know they have a variety of hair. This is not my first time working with them, and I am always left impressed with the quality of the hair. I mean, this is processed hair and it's color hair. It doesn't shed. As you can see, it's silky. I did go on and straighten it because it came curly, but I just didn't feel like anything curly, sorry. And it took it very well. So yeah, also the cut, I didn't cut this myself. The cut was all them, the blonde cut. So yeah, definitely love this unit, and everything you need, guys, regarding this hair will be on the description box. And right now I'm just here to show you how pretty I look and how good this looks to me. Okay, but yeah, no shedding, it's silky, it takes heat very well, and yeah, it came pre-plugged. And the best part about this whole wig is that it is glueless. Before I forget, this wig came with this line right here, which is very nice, and the closure, as you can see, it goes all the way down. Therefore, guys, you can do edges if you want. I just didn't feel like doing edges. I felt like, you know what, let me just put this on and show you guys how convenient it is to own this wig, because I don't have to glue it down. I can just pull it in and pull it back. That's the best part about 4x4 and 5x5 wigs. You can just get away with all that admin of installing a wig. Okay, but yeah, pretty much everything looks as it should. And I'm just running my comb now just to show you guys how silky this head looks and how it moves. Okay, it moves. It definitely moves, and I am absolutely in love. Totally. Okay, hey, thank you guys for watching. Mwah. I love you. Hey guys, we are reviewing Alipearl hair. They were kind enough to send me another stunning unit. I have lashes on. It came with the Alipearl band. I also got wig caps and combs. That's the hairband. And yeah, I'm also showing you guys the unit. It's a 5x5 unit. As you can see, it comes with combs inside. It has been styled, done a side part already, and it's cold. But because it's cold, we're gonna change. Okay, I'm just running my hands through it because I want you guys to see how it looks before I go off camera and style it. I'm running my hands through it. I was thinking of cutting it, but I decided not to, which I'm glad I did not, because the length that I have is actually very nice. Now I have styled it off camera, basically just straightened it. I didn't do anything at all, I just straightened it. Now I'm just cutting off the lace and combing it and making sure it's sleek and nice. By the way, it looks very, very gorgeous. So this is me installing this glueless unit. Look at that. Just put on your hair and it sits and fits like a glove, right? And that is the unit. I have styled it off camera, like I said. I didn't do anything much, just applied my serum and pretty much just straightened all those curls. And like I said, this is the actual length. I did not cut this hair. This hair came with that blunt cut, but like I said, it was curled and it's giving stunning, it's giving beauty, it's giving black girls in Bangladesh. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.